Normally I would move my stop up here, but we've got some pretty gnarly price action, so we can just get stopped out right here. We're probably going to get stopped out right here. I'm going to put this right back below this propulsion block. Let's see if we have a shift. So we had a slight shift in market structure here. We want to be careful because we traded into this fair value gap, which was the first fair value gap in this lower price delivery. Okay, so if we get stopped out, then we just took a little bit larger of an L, but traded into this fair value gap. We still have this propulsion block here. So we're just taking one off there. Should see a pretty strong expansion here. If we don't see a strong expansion here, we'll probably turn around, come back down, or go sideways. So I'm going to move my stop in right there. Then move that up a little bit. Let's see if we get a propulsion block here. Down close candle trading into this one. Not quite. On the 1 minute, it is. Just going to bring this in. So we had a shift in market structure here, taking out this high. And we have a fair value gap here, so it's not unreasonable to see price want to jam down here to take out stops before continuing to run. And there's a lot of sell side liquidity in here. So we could jam down into that. If we get 1 to 2 more strong pushes, I'm going to close out this position. We'll probably get a strong push and then turn around and jam down. Just want to watch this candle to see if it closes above the midpoint of this candle. It closed below. So we could either be turning around and head lower for a little bit, or we could end up going sideways for a little. It's pretty inefficient price delivery, so anything is possible really. But I would want to see at least 1 to 2 more strong pushes higher before turning around and going lower. Okay, so we might come lower here after having this candle here and now seeing what this one is doing. It's possible that we're ready to start turning lower. It's just getting pretty inefficient here, so I think this candle here will probably shoot up and then we'll probably end up turning around and coming lower. We're right near the opening range gap midpoint, so I think that's a draw on liquidity, but we'll see. I think we're going to get ready to see some ugly price action in here. So still waiting for that one last push higher, but right now we're stuck in some inefficient price delivery, which means we could go lower before going higher, but I wanted to see higher before lower. I'm just waiting on a rogue candle, one massive candle. It could go lower. Like I do foresee one big candle coming. The fact that we're in this inefficient delivery tells me that it could go either way. The rogue candle that's likely to appear. So that was the first. I think this one here will be the rogue candle. So that's possibly the roll candle right there. So I would think the next candle actually stops us out, and then price runs higher. So we're stopped out. It is what it is.